So if your observation is that of an artist, you will surely recognize most of the things that Ifeanyi has done with you guys in nature. Let's see this. You see, this tree looks like somebody who just fell on its back. Okay? And that's the knee. And at the same time, not only the knee, you can see the impression of the groin. You know, here. You see that? You can see the impression of the groin. And the rest is the torso. So, when I walk and see such, I want to share with you. So, but now I'm getting an inspiration of using a melody to sing you a song. Would you come with me to the lake? Oh no, there we could share some cake. I would give you more of the cake. Oh no, at the bank of the lake. Yeah, so come with me to the lake so that I can share with you some cake. And surely I will give you more of the cake at the bank of the lake. So, do you like that? Just came up to my mind, so I say, come with me to the lake. Oh no. So I will share with you some cake. I would give you more than half of the cake at the bank of the lake. So, na 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 na. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching. You see, as I go, I make up the ideas that could entertain you. I've been walking for a while now and taking some impressions. And I wish you peace in your life, because that's the best you can have. Peace and good health. When you have it, you can share it. Love is the best that you can have, and you share as well. If you don't have it, you can share it, all right? So, hello, Chris. So, share it if you have it, and try to get it. You can develop it, allow it to germinate inside you. So, come with me to the lake. Oh no. So we can share some cake. I will surely give you more than the half. Service. So when you come with me to the lake, we can share some cake. And I will give you more of the cake at the bank of the lake. Thank you very much. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Boom boom. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you. So I'm gonna see if I can get near to the water before I cut this one now. I've been trying to do some 3-minute videos, just 3-minute videos to allow you guys to get impression of what I do when I take a walk. Yeah, getting inspirations to entertain, and they do 10, you know. So come with me. So as you can see through the bushes, you're gonna see the waters. All right. So those waters are those waters are home for fishes, and a lot of birds are hanging around also. So come with me to the lake. Oh no. So we can share some cake. I will give you more than half of the cake, just to make you be my take. Yeah. So you can see the water out there through the bushes. That tells you the kind of environment that I found myself, and I just want to share that with you guys. All right? Come with me to the lake. Let's cut some cake. I will give you more than half of the cake just to make you to be my take. Are you gonna be my take? Thank you very much. Listen to the birds now. I have to go back because somebody has taken up that spot and is having a kind of sunbathing. You call it sunbathing, but Sonnenbad of German. So I decided to go back just to respect that privacy, all right? So, but what I just saw now was elegant and beautiful. And I didn't show it to you guys. So right now, I think I have a spot where I will take you guys to the lake for sure. Come with me to the lake so we can share some cake. I will give you more than half of the cake. Oh no. So you could be my take. Yeah. So once again, nature at its best representation. I don't know if you people are seeing what I'm seeing. I don't know how clear this picture is. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm seeing. I don't know if it is exactly what I want to show you guys, but nature is always interesting. So take out of this picture what you can get. Thank you very much. And again, peace to the world. Peace to the world. So the song goes, come with me to the lake. Oh no, so we can cut some cake. I would give you more than half of the cake. Oh no, so you could be my take. Thank you very much. Until soon.